What's up guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a backflip off a mini tramp. So let's get right into it. First, what you want to do is backflip on the trampoline and go a little bit backwards. I'll show you an example. And you want to do it standing on the trampoline too. You should be able to do that really well, and you should be able to feel comfortable with it. Then you want to do one off the mini tramp. So the second thing is you want to be able to do one off a mattress. So I'll grab a couple mattresses and show you what it should look like. So first what you want to do is you want to do a backflip off the mattress. So I'll show you an example right now. You should be able to do this. When you know how to backflip off the mattress, you want to backflip off the mini tramp onto the mattress. So it's just like the tramp. Backflipping off the mini tramp, it's just like backflipping off a mattress, or backflipping off your bed. It's just the same, but a little bit less bouncy. I'll show you an example of what it should look like. My first time doing a backflip off the mini tramp, when I could do one from there onto the mattress, I knew I could take the mattress away. The biggest thing you want to do, like the most important thing you want to do, is commit. Because if you don't commit, it'll never work. You'll probably hurt yourself, and you'll probably never want to learn it for a couple months or a couple weeks or a couple days. Then you can just take the mattress away, backflip off that. It's a really easy trick. It's a really easy trick, and a lot of people that's really good at flips, obviously they can do it. So I'm going to show you an example of what it should look like. With fresh handmade dough, if you do have a mini tramp, definitely practice this trick. It's a really easy one. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial, and I'm out.